Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're onto a swipe power move tutorial. Now, swipe is a breaking power move. You can definitely use it in other styles. I'm going to teach you a two-legged swipe and a one-legged swipe today. Now, anything that I'm teaching as far as power moves, you always want to make sure you're learning it the same way as your other power moves. You don't want to have a swipe one way, a flare another, a windmill another. It's good once you can do them all, but to start off with, you want to have them all traveling in the same direction so you can travel from one power move to another. So if I'm teaching the swipes opposite way to your other power moves, just switch everything around. Do the opposite legs and turn the opposite way to what I'm trying to do, yeah? But let's get straight into the swipe power move tutorial. So we're going to do a two-legged swipe first. I'm going to keep this one nice and short and sweet so you guys can learn this one nice and quick. So what we're going to do is start sitting down first on your butt. You're going to bring both feet in. You're going to bring left hand down. As I said, if you need to do the other side, do the other side, that's fine. And you're going to bring your hips up. Now it's really important in your swipe that you have a nice high hips and a nice straight body. You're going to bring your other arm up. You're going to bring the arm across. Try not to drop them hips. Overarm up. Now as you throw this hand down, you want to jump, twist from your hips, and your legs should twist around. So as you throw this down, jump, twist your legs. Unless you're a swipe. Now ideally with your swipes, you're going to rotate them around. But to start off with, we're just going to travel it sideways, do not worry. So, again, feet in, one hand down, so left hand down, hips up, right arm comes down, left arm comes up. You're going to throw that hand down as you jump twist. Yes. Now if you can do that easy, you want to try and rotate this. You want to try and hit different points. We're going to work on a 4-point swipe today, which means you're hitting side, back, side, and front. You can do 3-point and even 2-point swipes, but we're going to work on 4, yeah, just because we're starting from scratch. So, you're going to bring feet in, it's the same start, hips up, coming to here. Same next step, you're going to bring this hand down, but instead of bringing this left hand to the side, you're going to bring this in front here. So you want to rotate slightly in on yourself, which is going to rotate you to turn that way. So instead of throwing that hand down there, you're going to throw it down in line, in front of your other hand, as you jump twist, and you should land it out to the side. So you've hit 1 point with your swipe, yeah? Let's go that one more time. So, feet in, left hand down, hips up, right arm down, left arm up. Now throw that left arm down in front of your right hand so you can jump twist and rotate. Then from there to do multiple, you're just going again. Keep them hips up, hand down, bring it in, don't throw it to the side. Make sure you bring it in here, jump twist, and out to there. That's your two-legged swipe, yeah? Now let's do the one-legged swipe. So, obviously if you're struggling with that at the end of this video, practice. Send me videos if you need. Have my email down in the description. I can give you feedback, no problem at all. So send them across. One-legged swipe. So, you're going to start this one the same. So feet in, left hand down, hips up. And then you're going to bring your right leg out. So this should be your starting position. You're going to bring that right arm across, bring it down, left arm up. Now same thing, you're going to throw this hand down. But to make this easier, this leg is going to kick this way as you jump twist. What that will do is give you a little more height and a little more time to twist, because it's harder to jump off one leg. So you're going to kick this leg diagonal and up, so it's going to give you that twist and that height and the time you need to get your body to rotate, yeah? So from that position, so you should have right hand down, right leg out, left arm up. So you're going to throw this down. You can throw this down to the side if you need. You're going to kick this leg up, jump twist, and land it out there. Now make sure, one beginning mistake a lot of people make is switch their legs. Your legs should stay exactly the same position. So if you've got left foot down, right leg out, you should land left foot down, right leg out. Yeah? Let's do that one more, and then we'll get them points in. So, same start, both feet down, hand down, hips up, right leg out, bring that right arm down, left arm up. You're going to throw that down, as you kick, jump twist, and land it out to there. Keep them hips up, nice and important to do that, yeah? Now let's try points with these one-legged swipes. So once we've got the basics, I'll teach how to go from standing up with both of them too. So, we're going to try points now. So same start, same position here, and as you guessed it, you're going to do the same as we did with that two-legged swipe. So instead of bringing it to the side, you're going to bring it in front. So you're going to jump, kick, twist, bring that hand in front, and land it out to the point. And that's how you'll get your 4-point swipes with a one-legged swipe as well. So we're doing a two-legged swipe and a one-legged swipe. Now to go from standing up. So, how you do that from standing up is you're going to power step it across, or top up across. You're going to bring right hand down. Then you're going to twist your legs towards the front this way. As the left hand comes down. Then bring both feet out to here. That should be your starting swipe position. From there, you bring that hand across, this one up, jump twist. And that's how you go from standing up. Now it's the same thing for the one-legged swipe. You're going to step it across, up, same start, but instead of landing 2 feet down, you're going to land 1. As soon as you land that 1 foot down, you want to jump kick, because it's hard to pause it, yes? We'll go in one motion. Same start, right hand down, then left hand comes down, legs come around this way. You're going to land left foot down, right foot up, then jump kick it. And that's your one-legged swipe, yeah? Okay, what I will do is I'll have a slow motion of 2-legged swipe there, 1-legged swipe there. If you are struggling with either of them, let me know in the comments. I can answer any questions, send me a video, I can give you feedback on that, no problem at all. But that is your swipe power move tutorial. Now, if you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to show your support for the channel, hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the content. If there's anything that I'm not doing that you guys do want to see, or anything that you like, or if you just want to hit me up, leave a comment down below. I do get back to all of you guys, and I do appreciate all my subscribers, yeah? Thank you guys, catch you in the next one.